Hey guys, so this is a quick video about how to create optimized prompts. So essentially, we have to go to, if we go to ChatGPT, right? What we need to do is to go to explore GPTs, and here you will see two GPTs which I regularly use, and these are right at the top of my search. These are Prompt Professor and Prompt Maker, right? So what do I do is, I type a simple prompt. So I'll select Prompt Professor here, and I'll select a simple prompt saying, you know, give me the summary of, give me summary of the book, if I can type correctly. So give me summary of the book, Thinking Fast and Slow, right? Please give me chapter wise details and action items. Also, finally, give me the takeaways takeaways from this book, right? And then I will go at the top and say, optimize this prompt, right? This is step one where I'm using Prompt Professor to optimize this particular prompt, right? So this gave me a small kind of prompt and conclude with the main takeaways. I'll copy this output right here, and then I'll feed it into Prompt Maker. I will say optimize the below prompt, right? And here Prompt Maker would assign it a role that, and what is the task for this? What does it have to do specifically? And then add the most famous line in prompt engineering, take a deep breath and work on this problem step by step, right? So this is now my final prompt. So just by typing and putting it through a couple of prompt maker GPTs, what I've achieved is an optimized prompt. And let us try this out. So I'll go to ChatGPT, new chat, and I'll just put in this prompt and go and enter, right? So what we see now here is, there's an introduction to thinking fast and slow. There are chapter-wise summaries that we are getting, right? So the characters of a story, and then practical recommendation, and then attention and effort, practical recommendation, lazy controller, and so on, right? The third chapter is say system two has a lazy nature, defaults to system one even when analytical thinking is needed. The associative machine, cognitive ease. So you get the idea, right? Norms, surprises, and causes. Again, the primary discussion in thinking fast and slow is about system one and system two, where you know system one is just our default thinking, and system two is where we have to apply critical thinking and so on, right? So if we look at the output here, every chapter wise we're getting, like, what is the summary for the chapter, what is the key insights and practical recommendations, and so on, right? We could also kind of improve this prompt by, saying give me examples or specific examples from this book and so on, right? So just by using two prompt GPTs, we got a very, very optimized prompt which gave us a very detailed output, and I hope you would be able to use this in your daily work as well. One of the hacks that I use is, every night just before going to sleep, I copy paste this slide, this prompt with a new book, and just end my day on a little bit of positive note. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. Thank you.